LG is the leader in craft ice refrigerators, selling more than anyone else. And now we're introducing our newest innovations in ice, style, and smart features in two premium 4-door French door models, the LF29S9730S and LF29S9775S. LG appliances deliver so much more. More capacity, more flexibility, and more smart controls to help customers get more done every day. Let's start with the LF29S9730S. From the outside, you get sleek styling and huge capacity, a massive 29 cubic feet with stunning pocket handles that truly fit any kitchen design. Inside, LG's smart cooling system helps to keep produce fresh for up to twice as long. The latest LG Smart Inverter compressor and multi-airflow venting work together to keep temperatures even. And with ThinQ, customers will even get alerts if temperatures rise or if a door is left open, so they can protect their food and their investment. And soft closed doors, they're slam-proof and built for everyday convenience. Now, here's the headline feature. This model is the first refrigerator with a door dispenser that gives you crushed ice or the brand new mini craft ice, 1-inch spheres that instantly elevate any drink. And it doesn't stop there. The freezer on this model makes LG's signature slow melting craft ice for cocktails, coffee, or keeping drinks colder for longer. And with ThinQ, you can activate Ice Plus remotely, so you've always got extra ice ready for the party before you even get home. Now, right here in the middle, this is our full convert drawer. 5 temperature settings that go from extra fridge to freezer with specialty settings as well. If you need more freezer space after a big shop or want some chilled wine for the weekend, you can just set it in the ThinQ app or right here in the controls. Inside, you find a stunning backlit interior, making it easy to see everything in that cavernous 29 cubic feet capacity. This is room for family-sized trays, gallon jugs, and all of the snacks customers love to keep stocked. Through ThinQ, you can even adjust the light levels to dim in the evenings if you want. Now, for those who want even more style and convenience, the LF29S9775S adds our stunning MyColor InstaView door-and-door panel. Knock twice and the glass lights up to show what's inside without ever opening the door. This helps save energy and keeps food fresher. MyColor lets you change the default white light to match the vibe of your kitchen, to spice up a party or an event, whatever makes you happy, right from the ThinQ app. With LG refrigerators, you get so much more than just a place to keep your food. Whether customers choose the LF29S9730S or the LF29S9775S, they're getting so much more. More capacity, more flexibility, more style, and more control to make their life easier. Now that's good.